Good day, people. Yeah, the good day biscuit. Yeah. It's not a joke. I'm wishing you good day, good morning, good night, just like that. Good day, people. It's your boy YA. Today, it's an old kind of video, but still, I'm gonna do it. Try not to laugh challenge. I'm gonna make sure I put up the straight face in my mouth. Wait, what? I wanna make sure I put on my straight mouth in my face, and let's try not to laugh. Cause that's the competition. This is selected video. My friends gave it to me. A shout out to Dutch Dogman. He gave link in my description for his YouTube channel. He gave me this video. Well, anyways, let's get into it. Try not to laugh. Best funny fails video. Completion 2020 dogs and kids. Yeah, I have a dog. Oh my god, I have a dog. She may get possessive if I watch other dogs. Let's just watch it. Is that funny? Was that funny? I don't think so, mate. Come on. That would have hurt. Yeah, that would have definitely.
Jealous. Hey,
Look at. Did I lose already? 21 seconds in, I'm lost. 21 seconds in, I lost. Oh my god, I'm so bad at this game. Let's have a quick replay on that, please.
Jealous. Hey,
My man did a backflip and got hit by a snowball. Oh my god.
No!
That was funny. That was definitely funny, guys. If you did not laugh for that, mate, come on. I'm not a horse. The dog goes like, oh, do I look like a horse? You want to ride? Let's do a ride. Woo! Oh my god. I don't care about the human beings. If he would have hit me, like if he had hit the dog with a baseball bat, mate. That dog. No, it was not a laugh. I just closed my mouth. I just closed my mouth. It wasn't a laugh, alright?
Oh.
Oh my god!
They're okay. Okay. They're okay.
The father goes like, yeah, they're okay. Yeah, it's alright, my friends. The video recording, yeah, they're okay. They're fine. They just got hit by a tree. They're not gonna die. Yeah. Holy, is that mucus? Oh, it's a bubble gum. I thought it's nosy. I thought it was a mucus. Oh my god. That is the most disgusting thing. I would never do that with my dog. Nope, I would never do that with my dog.
Slow down!
Holy, why are you seeing my right ears? Oh my god. Wait. Yes, he's not in my left. He's not in my right ear. He's in my left ear now. Oh my god.
Whoa! Careful, you're gonna crash! Whoa!
That was very loud, guys. That was very loud.
Oh! Hey, look at me!
Look at that. Give me a toy. You think my first piece is riding sklee for you? Give it to me. Boy hitting with the Fortnite dance. Let's go. It wasn't a laugh. Oh my god. Oh, it was. I thought he just bit his thingy. It was his thighs, not his thingy. Oh my god. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Please leave a like down below. 20 likes more. Not 20. 20 is a small amount. Come on, why am I giving 40 flippin' likes. One more try not to laugh video. And guys, please subscribe if you're new here. Subscribing to this channel will change your life forever. And turn on the notification bell. And guys,